Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make behind the eight ball trick like this. It's easy and fun, but first thing first you need to know about pieces opening, closing, and time rollover. Also, respect, so you can do that behind the eight ball easily. You need to start with your safe finger, remove your index finger, flick like that, put your index finger in there. You can see, right? So do an index zero G shuffling. Only one row like that. I will show you again. Here, put. Okay, so do a time roll over like that. Okay, do another row. So you catch like that, right? So make it respect like that. So it's a behind the eight ball. So easy, but I will show you again. Remove, put your index, make it zero G chop. Here, make it time roll, another row, and catch. So it's a eight ball. I will show you some combo.